Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to wrap a hood on any car. First step, debadge. Second step, I like to use this glass cleaner and clean off the hood. After you clean the hood with the glass cleaner, I like to use a tack reducer. You don't need a lot, just a little bit, a few squirts. You should be good.
Go ahead and wipe it off. Alright, now you're gonna pop the hood.
Pop the hood. And you're going to use isopropyl alcohol. Take the alcohol, spray on your rag.
And wipe down all your edges really good.
Alright, after you wiped everything off, I already have my hood pre-cut to the size it needs to be. You go ahead and lay it down on the hood. Make sure all your edges are covered. And you're gonna go ahead and peel a corner off. Alright. Grab your magnet, stick it on there, and you're gonna slowly roll the film.
The backing off the rack. No rush.
Now we're going to readjust, realign everything. And then these areas you can go ahead and cut out.
No way. Just round it out. Just like this. And squeeze. Boom. Next. There you go. Now I like to take my glass cleaner. Spray it for a nice slick solution. I'm gonna find the squeegee. You start from the center and work your way out. Firm pressure.
50-50 overlapping passes. Let's go.
Yeah, boy.
Don't forget to drink your Red Bull.
Next, grab your glove and a heat gun, and let's go ahead and post-heat everything.
Go ahead and roll
Your finger around the edge by the windshield. Don't let it get too hot.
Now we're gonna go ahead and use a blade.
Snap your blade off. And we're gonna cut on the opposite side of the head.
Make sure all this is good. Now take our knife.
Snap it. And you're gonna cut right under the hood.
Now we're gonna go ahead and post heat this edge and these corners.
Now you're gonna pop that chocolate ink. Go ahead. So you're gonna pop your hood, lift it all the way up,
Put your glove on, and you're gonna post heat down all the edges. Take your glass cleaner.
Spray your hood down.
Now let's wipe it off.
and you should be done. That's all it takes. Nice and clean.
Edges, nice and clean.
Put on anything. Inspect everything. Let's go. If I can do it, you can do it. Yeah, buddy.